Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix 2010 Ford Fusion electric power steering. First, check for a power steering assist, a fault message. Common signs include a heavy steering wheel, difficulty turning, or a warning light on the dashboard. Next, try restarting the car. Since the EPS system can sometimes glitch, turn the vehicle off, wait about a minute, restart it, and turn the wheel left and right to see if assist returns temporarily. If it does, the issue is likely electrical. After that, check the battery and charging system because low voltage is one of the most common causes of EPS failure. Inspect battery terminals, measure battery voltage, and confirm the alternator is charging properly. Then scan the vehicle with an OBD2 scanner to check for steering-related fault codes, which can help pinpoint whether the rack, module, or wiring is at fault. Next, inspect the steering rack connections for loose plugs, corrosions, or moisture damage, as these are the common issues on this model. Finally, after any repairs, clear the fault codes, restart the vehicle, and test drive to confirm the steering assist is working correctly. If the problem keeps coming back, the electric steering rack itself is often the failed component. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.